I'm collaborating with Laura from Life According to Bowhead, and we are challenging you to a $1 holiday tablescape for two. It's an open invitation, so stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so now let's get into the details. Laura of Life According to Bowhead and I are pulling out all the stops. We are challenging your creativity. We are challenging you to create a tablescape for the holidays where everything on the table costs $1 or less. Yes, that's it, $1 or less. Everything on the table. That's flatware, dishes, glasses, whatever, $1 or less. Now let me get my notes to make sure I got all the details. So you heard me right. Everything on the table has to cost $1 or less. Now here's the thing. Even if you have some things in your home that you can use, if they cost more than $1 when you bought them, they don't meet the criteria for the challenge. Here's why. When Laura and I talked about this, it was really important to her that we be able to show that you could create a beautiful tablescape and not break the bank. She wants people to see that they can have a wonderful table design and it not cost a lot of money, that you can shop the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Spot or thrifted and have a beautiful table design. So what about plates? They gotta cost less than $1. What about cutlery or flatware? Less than $1. Stemware? Less than $1. Everything on the table has got to be $1 or less. $1, $1, $1. If you have any questions, just leave us a question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to get right back to you. So can you do this? Kenya, Kim, Yanni, V, and the other V, Liz, Lori, Shelly, I'm calling you out. If you're part of my YouTube community, I'm calling you out. I'm issuing this invitation specifically to you. Yes, you. And can you do it? Can you create a tablescape for two with everything on the table less than $1? So Laura and I are really hoping that you will join us in this $1 holiday table for two. Here are the rules. 1. Every item in the tablescape must cost less than $1. 2. Your tablescape should be set for two. Not 4, not 6, 2. It's a holiday tablescape, so you must use holiday decor in your design. Now let's talk about upload date. You can upload your video anytime after 12:01 a.m. on Thursday, December 6th. Please don't deploy your video prior to 12:01 Thursday, December 6th. And then we'll create a playlist so that you can populate your video in the playlist, and then also you'll be able to see all the things that the other creators have done. And if you have any trouble uploading your video to the playlist, just contact us and we'll be sure to help you. When you upload your video, you want to be sure to tell us how much it costs and where you got it, and use the title $1 Table for Two, hosted by Denise and Laura. And then we'll also have a hashtag for you, which is hashtag $1 holiday table for two. And you'll see the hashtag on the screen and in the description box below. And be sure to mention our channels, Life According to Bowhead and This and That with Denise Jordan, in your description box, and also link it there as well. If you're not familiar with Laura's channel, I'll link it below. I'm not going to say much about her because I want you to go over and take a look yourself, but you will love her as much as I do. So please check her out. Okay, so before I wrap this up, let me invite you one more time to join Laura and I in our $1 holiday table for two open invitation challenge. We're really looking forward to seeing what you can do. And if you're not already a member of the TNT community, I don't know why not. Subscribe. You'll like what I do over here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope I'll see you in our $1 holiday table for two open invitation